Okay, let's react to this video. 1 in a billion moments in nature.
Hello everyone! Get ready to witness nature's stunning beauty and its awe-inspiring forces in action. This compilation will show the incredible and sometimes wild side of our world. Let's get it on.
Whoa. Tell me if it's loud. Is that like a volcano erupting?
Watch out for the shock, it's coming.
Oh yeah.
The Tavor
Oh my
volcano,
God.
Papua New Guinea.
Was that the sound? I know like that you see it first and then you hear it after, but dude, it doesn't look that far.
Blasted
That took
out
so
a
long.
massive column of ash that reached over 18 kilometers high.
That's the moment in Oppenheimer. I don't know if you saw this clip of Oppenheimer. This one guy was recording in the cinema. And then when they push the button, okay, spoilers if you haven't seen Oppenheimer. I mean, I don't know if you can really get spoiled. It's a historical event. But when they push the red button, usually you would think that when you see the nuclear bomb explosions, you would hear it. But that's not the case. You first see it and then it takes a while to hear it. And this guy timed his fart. With the pushing of the red button. So when they push the red button, it's complete silence in cinema. There is no music in the background. They left it raw to really feel how it would be in real life. This guy timed his fart and he timed it wrong. Everybody was laughing in cinema. Oh my God. That was so funny. Such a funny clip. Try to find it on Google. It's really funny.
Accompanied by a powerful shockwave.
Nuclear fart. Sound effects. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. That's like Thor saying hi. Blah.
The crazy storm in New Jersey was so intense that it actually trapped a train on the tracks when the flooding hit.
Sheesh. That's a lot of damage. Underwater train, yeah. Whoa. We're gonna see more and more of this, guys, because of global warming.
This mud flow might seem harmless, but take a peek at the chaos it leaves behind.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is very strong.
Even though the bridge is made of metal, it got knocked down so effortlessly that it seemed like it was put together from Lego pieces.
Yeah. Man, you... XXXL. No, this one is not XXL. I still have ads because I don't have an ad block. It doesn't even work with YouTube anymore.
Water tornadoes are a usual sight in Louisiana, but the sheer scale of this one left the locals completely
Wait, my
amazed.
question is, why does it look like it's missing from the bottom? As if like it's just gonna float over them and not touch the house. Not sure. It looks like it's missing a bottom.
Try counting how many people at this festival naively thought that they could do without tent pegs.
Oh shit. Hey, the bed! Sad. If I knew something like this happening, I would just sit on my tent. Problem solved.
A massive and rapid mudslide is the first thing the cameraman saw when he went outside. Definitely not your average morning,
My God,
but it's
Sualdo.
one you won't forget.
It does look cool though. I have to admit, it's satisfying. I don't know why, but it's so satisfying to watch this. Powerful,
Why
look
go
what it
to
does.
Patagonia? Well, where else can you actually witness an iceberg exploding right before your eyes?
Oh my God. And there you go, it's there now. That's so cool.
What the brochures don't tell you about cruises.
Oh no, I'm not going on a cruise. No, thank you. I'm done. I watched Titanic. I'm good. But though it's not cruising, it's just I don't want it. Oh my God! Imagine yourself there. That's nasty.
Life in Sicily usually moves at a relaxed
Hey, it's
pace.
Venice.
But when the heavy rains hit, it's a whole different
Venice
story.
Beach. Are these people? These are people there. They're stuck. And cars are oh my God.
It's hard to believe, but such a powerful tornado only wrecked buildings and cars.
I feel like these tornadoes are only in America. I don't think they're in Germany. Phew. Oh,
Oh, nice.
oh, nice. You can still see him. Like, I really don't understand people who go through these tracks that are not safe. Like, you don't know how deep it is. You don't know if you're gonna get stuck. You don't know if people are gonna ever find you again. You know, like, it is so unsafe because, like, you have no idea if there is a hole in front of you. It's like, just
Sick, dude.
put it on lock, I guess.
Sure. Thanks, man. Yeah.
And now they know that it's safe
Oh,
because
sick,
he did
okay.
it, and now they
Learn
can
how
just follow
to
him.
skillfully dodge an avalanche with this quick guide.
Slide! Slide! Slide!
Slide.
Avalanche! 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 Avalanche!
Yeah, that's what happens when it's not clear and you mess up with it.
Go
You make an
well!
avalanche.
Well!
And then you might even injure other people with that
Go
stupidity.
left! Go left!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
The girl was lucky she only got scared, though it definitely gave her some
My
new
eyes
grey
almost
hairs.
popped out of my skull. What the? Oh my
Iowa
God.
got hit by this wild storm, and the wind was so powerful it took down trees one after another,
Oh
like
my
a game
God.
of dominoes.
Oh, a whole tree.
We lost 2 trees. Well, our front yard is gone.
Damn, these are rich people. That was a front yard?
Wow. Oh my
I thought it's a
wow. Look
public
at it
park.
move.
Yeah, it's wow, but it's also global warming.
You are recording this, right?
Yes, sir.
Even the captain knows that this site is not only amazingly beautiful, but also very unusual.
Hey, can you turn the boat to the right? Boom, look at that. Boom. Yep.
Yeah, now it's
Don't want
unusual,
it
but it's
closer
like...
than a quarter mile.
Wow.
my
Look at that pop up.
There's a shooter.
That's a shooter.
This might look like weirdly coloured glass, but it's
That's
just
water on
what
the other
happened to
side.
the basement exit after a serious flood in northern Italy.
Oh. Oh my God, is that a dog? That dog though. Such a random moment. I love it. Quack, quack, quack. Doesn't that
Imagine
cause an
stumbling upon
avalanche?
a volcanic eruption while on a regular trip to the mountains.
No,
Now
thank
that's
you.
truly epic.
It really is.
Water
Like the contrast
might
of like,
just be the strongest element out there.
oh my god,
Just
it is.
check out how effortlessly it took down that huge bridge in northern India. And instantly flooded an entire highway.
Move, 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 idiot! Stop recording! How is he still standing and recording? I hope he just zoomed in. Gotta get those YouTube views, yeah. Excuse me? What is that fire? Why? Why there is fire? What the fudge is happening? Is that like an
Azerbaijan
oil?
could be the perfect setting for the next Mad Max movie.
Yeah.
Especially with this mud volcano that looks
A mud
both intimidating
volcano.
and cool.
Oh my god.
The people from this little Swiss village
hell,
claim
yeah.
the boulders were as big as
Gates
houses,
to hell.
and everyone in the valley heard them crash down.
Huh? Dude, these rocks. Oh my god, so many times I would have a nightmare of the world ending and it would look like this. And I would be like trying to get on top of a mountain or something just to not get destroyed. We're like ants to nature. You know how small ants are? Like that's us. We're so squishy. It's crazy. Usually, like, if I have, like, nightmares of world ending, it's like this or tsunami. Water, yeah. Oh! They're stuck! They are stuck! That's it. There's no way to cross that. Oh, this is scary, man. This is so scary. Oh my god. Like, if they were any bit closer, they would be gone.
Luckily, nobody got hurt in the landslide, but lots of people had to find a different way to get around.
Yeah. Like, now they're stuck.
Там у тебя увеличивает. Привет, вырывай сейчас
This pontoon bridge seems to be getting
Bro.
lifted by some unseen force.
You
But you
stay.
know, ice flows can be surprisingly strong too.
Oh my. I guess.
рыбаки.
Rest in
Рыбаки,
peace.
покажи там. Там вон рыбаки сидят, они сейчас, у них машины на этой стороне. Им сейчас, чтобы
Bye-bye.
обратно попасть, надо в окружную.
See ya later. These guys can't cross the bridge now. They're stuck on the other side.
Ein stechender Schmerz, quälend und
Einstechender Schmerz. Gute Lose. I don't have that blocker. I love these ads. They're actually entertaining. Oh. At least I'm not getting stupid mobile ads. What are those? Crabs? Are these crabs? They look like helmets. Like soldier helmets. Dude, what are those?
In a matter of minutes, a
They have, like,
landslide made this mountain
parts.
a little small.
No, they look like huge ants. Look, 1, 2, 3. Unless like there are 3 attached into one. That's crazy.
In a matter of minutes, a landslide made this mountain a little smaller.
There is a waterfall similar to this in Bosnia, towards Bihać, if you go, and then it starts somewhere in the middle of the mountain, and it's like such a beautiful waterfall. Like it's all green and then just water out of nowhere. So beautiful. Yeah, that's really epic. In Europe, Bosnia and Herzegovina has the most waterfalls in all the countries in the world, in Europe, in European countries. Oh yeah, I heard about this. It's the city where they always have to deal with this.
Aftermath of a massive storm in Utah.
Yeah.
Tumbleweeds took over a whole neighborhood. Who would have thought they could
Utah.
gather in such big numbers, right?
I love them, but like too many of them is like not good. Yeah.
I'm so scared right Is there something you need to tell us? Are you a alien?
Hairdressers have nothing to do with this.
It's like a punk rocker.
This happens when people get
Specific
caught in an electromagnetic field. In that case, it's a good idea to seek cover, as it usually means a storm is on the way.
Oh no.
rockers we've just picked up.
That's hilarious. Oh, look how fast it is. How are people so ballsy to stand so close to this? Like imagine like just a small spark of that hitting your face or something.
We're not dealing with burst pipes or flooding here.
Sorry,
It's
I heard
the
that.
earthquake that's pushing
I heard that
groundwater to the surface.
Same. Okay, I wasn't alone. I'm not the weirdest. Okay.
These people got lucky seeing a desert cliff
yeah,
turn into a
20th century
waterfall
fox.
during heavy flooding. But hey, it still looks stunning on screen too.
Oh shit. Oh shit. And now it's a beautiful waterfall, huh? Oh no, the baby. The baby is the smartest, you know? Actual instincts of survivability. Like, this is not fun, guys. Move on. I don't think they're safe there. How are people so ballsy?
Another reminder not to stand outside during a thunderstorm. Fact. Winter thunderstorms are much more epic than summer thunderstorms.
I can ski like this on a straight, almost straight, a bit like...
Take a look at these breathtaking scenes from
Not like
Costa
this.
Rica.
Aliens! Oh, never mind. Meteors killing us all. This is the last thing we would see if an actual meteor hits us. Like a big
Is
one.
it lava flows or a bubbling lake of red clay? Not at all. These are the stunning Iguazu Falls in all their glory during the river overflow.
Wow.
This is what stress relief soil looks
Oh my
like.
god, yeah.
I bet they hung out there for more than an hour.
So many fish. Dude, this is the easiest type of fishing. You just take a bucket and you scoop these fish. Why do people even fish? You can just do it like this. I don't know if this fish is like tasty or edible or whatever.
Check out this really cool and rare sight. It's a kind of halo that tricks your eyes into thinking there's a second sun.
Ooh. Oh my god, it's like a new river. Alala!
When spring comes to the mountains, snow starts melting and avalanches happen. The guy who filmed this video caught one on camera, and nature decided to top it off by throwing in a rainbow
Oh my
for
god,
a
the rainbow
stunning
is
shot.
beautiful. It is. Nature is wonderful.
This epic tornado looks straight out of a movie.
And somehow the bottom is missing. I don't get it. I cannot understand tornadoes at all. I thought like it would be smoke everywhere and then a tornado comes out of it. But somehow this part is missing. And I feel like it's because the wind hits a certain point.
A year.
What's
So
that?
From here to there, probably is 2.5 meters. So you can tell how old it is.
No, I don't know math. If it's 1 centimeter a year and it's 2.5 meters, that means 250 centimeters. So 250 years. Am I right?
It just grows over 4,000.
4,000 years? Jeez. Yes, math. Nice to meet you too. Well, that was fun. Ooh, we like this. That was fun.